Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean these plastic Venetian blinds that many of you may have in your house. I'm trying to get the camera because it's a bit dark in this room. See where all the dust is at the top there? They need a good scrub, they've gone a bit yellow, so I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video. My mum's going to keep tabs on what I do because she wants to learn how to do it. She's just there. Give him a wave, Mum. So stay tuned folks and enjoy the video. Right folks, the first thing you need to do is you need to find a flat surface on your back garden. I'm pretty lucky because my mum's got this huge decking. Lay your blind down. You want to make sure all your slats are pointing down. So just pick this back up so you can see. So like if your blind's in the window, it's blocked out anybody looking in. That's how you want them set. So lay them down like so. And what you want to do is get your hose pipe, wet the entire blind and just leave it to soak for 5 minutes. So the next thing to do guys is to use a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use flash bleach, but I always stick to using this Star Drops pink stuff. You can buy it from most shops. I think most of the corner shops sell it as well. So we just spray the blind, let it soak in for a couple of seconds, then using a soft bristled brush, just give it a good scrub, and then we'll turn it over and do the same on the other side. So guys, we need to repeat that process again because some of the fins will be sitting on each other, and just washing this side and the other side, you might not get all the surface of each fin. So what we're going to do is you're going to pick the blind up and then we're going to adjust the fins so they go from that way to that way, and then we'll just repeat the same process again by spraying, scrubbing and rinsing. So the next thing to do guys is to affix 2 screws to a wall or a shed like I've done here, and this is one I did earlier, just around the side of the shed. Show you, I've just put a couple of screws in just to hang the blind on. What we're going to do is hang the blind and then give it another rinse with the hose pipe, just to rinse it completely, and then after about 20 minutes you just want to adjust the fins the other way so we make sure we don't get no watermarks on the fins while it's drying. So again folks, rinse it, then adjust the blinds again so they're tilting the other way. And then give it another rinse with a hose pipe. Wait another 20 minutes, then turn the blinds the other way, and then hopefully if you do that it will stop any watermarking from the water, because it's a good day today and the sun's beating down on this garden. It shouldn't take these too long to dry. Right folks, next thing to do once your blinds are dry is to lubricate the cogs. You want to get some WD-40, and this will also help drive out any moisture the water had left over. So the easiest way to do it is wherever you've got a cog or a mechanism, just quick spray with some WD-40, and that will ensure it's all lubricated, gets rid of all the moisture, and you'll have no troubles with the blinds in the future. The cogs are made up of stainless steel, plastic and brass, which are not prone to rusting, so you've got no worry there. It's just better to be safe than sorry. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and get cracking, get yours down, get them all cleaned up, back in them windows looking nice and fresh like the day you bought them. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video.